is my prayer, that I'll die living just as free as my hair. I've had enough.
Here's how you can play the live acoustic version of Here by Lady Gaga. A special shout out for the request. Now, there are only 4 chords to play this whole song, but I'm going to split this tutorial up into 3 parts because there's 3 main sections that you need to learn in order to play the whole thing. So, let's get started. The first thing you're going to play is this E major chord, and this is for the verses and the choruses. 1, 2, 3. Then a B major. In the right hand I use my thumb, second finger and ring finger to a C minor chord, thumb, middle finger, pinky, and then finally an A major chord, thumb, middle finger, pinky again. Now there's a few ways to play the rhythm for this. One way is to just hold the chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Another way is to think in your head. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. One last way I'll show you. It goes right, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left. So have a go through those chords and then try out those rhythms. Let's move on to the second part. We're going to start with the C sharp minor chord first, then go to a B, then E major, and finally an A. And this is for the pre-chorus. You play this twice for the pre-chorus. And it's pretty much the same 4 chords, just in a different order. Then finishing on the A, that final A, I like to build that up into the chorus. The very last part has 3 chords to it. A to the B, and then C sharp minor chord, and you hold that chord. Let's try that one more time. A to the B, and finally C sharp minor chord, and finishing there. So that's how the 3 parts go. Remember, there's only 4 chords to learn, and what I would recommend doing is playing around with those different rhythm options so that you can keep the song sounding interesting even though you're playing the same chords throughout the whole thing. Okay, let's have a quick jam through some of those parts so that you can see how those fit together. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Whenever I'm dressed cool, my parents put up a fight. And if I'm hot shot, mama cut my hair at night. And in the morning I'm short of my identity. I scream, Mom and Dad, what can I be who I wanna be? And to be, I just wanna be myself, and I want you to love me for who I am. I just wanna be myself, and I want you to know I am my hair. I've had enough. This is my prayer, that I'll die living just as free as my hair. I've had enough. This is my prayer, that I'll die living just as free as my hair. I've had enough. I'm not a freak, I'm just here trying to stay cool on the streets. I've had enough, enough, enough. This is my prayer. I swear I'm as free as my hair. Oh, I'm as free as my hair. I am my hair. Oh, I am my hair. I just wanna be free. I just wanna be me. No want lots of friends that invite me to the parties. Don't wanna change. I don't wanna be ashamed. I'm the spirit of my hair. It's all the glory that I bear on my hair, on my hair. On my hair, and my hair, on my hair, on my hair. It's all the glory that I bear on my hair, on my hair. It's all the glory that I bear on my